Just off on my trip to Winnipeg today, and the lighting is just right and everything, and I decided to pull over here and give you a look at something that's I find very interesting, and maybe people who aren't from this area may find quite interesting too. So I'm going to jump out of the truck. It's a little chilly. It's -9 out here, but this thing behind me, kind of this dark blue, almost blue looking strip. I'll turn the camera around, I'll tell you what that is. Sorry for the traffic noise, but that area right here, from about here all the way to here, is a big pile of snow. Okay, and I don't know how tall it is, but it's very tall. If I could find a cat working to push the snow up there to give you some reference, I would. But that's one of 3 snow dumps in the Winnipeg area. We've had a lot of snow this year, so the snow dumps are very full. But that's not terribly unusual. And these snow dumps, they often don't quite all melt in the summer. So they'll start dumping snow in there again before it's all melted. So I'm going to drive down that way, and I'm going to see if I can catch something that'll give you a little more sense of scale. So I'm right on the other side of that snow mountain, and you can see the cats working there. Those are like D8s and whatnot, pushing the snow up in there. And I may have overestimated how tall it is, but it's pretty damn tall. And they just, the trucks come in here at the bottom, they dump the snow, and then you can see how the cats have been pushing the snow up to the top. And it's a slope on this side, and then just kind of a straight drop off on the other side. And I don't know how long that is. That's, man, I think that's nearly half a mile. It's more than a quarter of a mile. So anyway, I just thought you might find that interesting. It's quite a remarkable sight, I think, even living in this country my whole life. And I think this is probably one of the biggest snow dumps in Winnipeg, but it's one of 3.